Hi everyone, my name's Mike, and thanks for tuning in to this week's tech tip. Well, don't you wish you invested into Zoom prior to this COVID-19 crisis? Shares in Zoom have skyrocketed as many organizations turn to Zoom or Microsoft Teams to host virtual meetings, online education, weekly happy hours, and so much more. Guess who else sees a huge opportunity with Zoom? If you guess cybercriminals, you're correct. Hackers and those looking to wreak havoc during the COVID-19 pandemic are taking advantage of the situation to launch cyber attacks against small to large organizations that are already struggling and in a state of uncertainty. According to trusted IT community experts, there's been a large increase in domain names purchased with the word Zoom in them. Why? Hackers use this as a gateway for malware to gain access to corporate networks. They know that many professionals are working from home, and the strict cybersecurity standards normally found in office networks are no longer present on a home computer or home network. Here are a few tips to protect yourself and your business. 1. Treat your Zoom information like any other sensitive login credentials. Don't share it with anyone via social media, in an email, or on your website for other members of your organization to access. 2. Use a password for all your meetings. People are worried that if there's a password, people won't attend. Yes, people will still attend your meetings if it's password protected. 3. In the advanced settings in Zoom, enable H.323 and SIP encryption. By default, encryption is not set up. 4. Make sure everyone is clicking on the right link. The link should have zoom.us within it. Remember what we said earlier about hackers buying up those domain names. So there you have it. Zoom and Microsoft Teams are great resources, especially during this difficult time where everyone is learning to work from home. Be safe and stay healthy. We'll have more tech tips coming out throughout this crisis. As always, if you need any help, please reach out to us with any questions that you may have. Thanks again, everyone.